Demonstrating the 3/8. We'll now be demonstrating the 3/8 air ratchet by removing the bolt from the motor. Okay, now to tighten it back up, and just before we get it tightened, it'll pull back down on us and we'll know that it's tight. We need to be careful not to twist or wring the bolt off. All now demonstrating the 3/4 inch air impact wrench. Also note that we also sell impact sockets. The black ones are more for these torque heavier situations. We sell them in the different drive sizes as well, from 1/2 inch up to 1 inch in the impact sockets. We have a deep socket or a standard shallow socket. Here on the air wrench, there's forward and reverse. Of course, we're going to start on reverse. We have the toggle pulled backwards. And start them back with a turn or two. Back to forward. We'll work till this socket starts to stop turning. We'll be completed at that time. Got it? Got it.